Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MME device internal error in Adobe Premiere Pro or even Audition. Let's say you're getting this error on your Premiere Pro. Don't worry, guys. You don't have to go and start uninstalling Premiere Pro and reinstalling it or turning your PC off and restarting it. Don't have to do all that, guys. It's actually a really easy and simple fix. This error actually usually happens, and what it does is causes your microphone and headphones not to work inside Premiere and Audition. And I'm going to show you how to do this really quickly and easy. All you do is come and go to your settings, okay? Search for your settings here and open it up, okay, guys? It's really easy. And now what you want to do is click on privacy. And from here, we're going to access the microphone settings. And all you need to do is make sure this is turned on. Allow apps to access your microphone. If it is turned off, then you're going to get that error, of course. Now, also what you can do is make sure it is turned on here for Adobe Premiere Pro. And that will fix your problem, guys. It's actually really easy and simple, guys. That literally fixed my problem. Hope this video helps. Make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can subscribe.